This is a 10 minutes broccoli and ricotta pasta. I'm going to take you all the way to the south of Italy in 10 minutes. You're gonna love this. Anthony, you're gonna love this.
I can't wait.
Your vanilla cheese ricotta is in there and did a great job for this recipe.
This looks sensational.
Fresh, easy, simple. A nice weeknight meal for you and your family. To make this delicious pasta for 2 people, for the big boys like us, 300 grams of spaghettoni, nice thick spaghetti. 500 grams of broccoli. About 150 to 200 grams of fresh ricotta. If you find smooth, creamy ricotta, don't buy that. The type of ricotta we need is this. Tell us about this ricotta from Vanilla Cheese.
It's a traditional ricotta. It's made from whey, the byproduct from the cheese making process. And actually, ricotta, you'll know, it translates to recooked. So that refers to the fact that we actually reheat the whey from the cheese production to make this beautiful, fluffy ricotta.
We need 1 clove of garlic per person, but I've got 3, because 1 for Anthony, 1 for me, and 1 for you who is watching. Fresh basil, pecorino cheese, extra virgin olive oil, salt and pepper, and
Lots of love.
lots of love. First thing we need to do is to cut the broccoli. So we remove the hand part. We don't want to use this part. And now we're just going to cut the broccoli. You can do whatever you want, okay? But basically, we want to eat this. We don't want to chop it up. We just want to have some nice pieces of broccoli in the pasta. So you get that nice crunchy experience when you eat it. But we're gonna blend, half of the broccoli will be blended and the other half will be served with the pasta, okay? So see this? We can break it into small pieces so we can actually serve this. So this is the size I like to have in my pasta. And this big size we're gonna blend. And this one we're gonna break it, cut it, chop it up. This is the hardest one, the hardest part, so we have to make sure we blend this. This is full of nutrients, never throw this out, this is very important. This spaghetti takes 10 minutes to be cooked al dente. So while we cook the pasta, we make the sauce. So we have a nice large pot full of water, and I'm gonna put 1 tablespoon of sea salt. Now let's put the spaghetti in, push down a little bit. So the pasta is in, now we're going to put the broccoli in as well. The broccoli, gonna cook together with the pasta. We're gonna cook the stem and the larger broccoli for about 5 minutes, and I'm gonna blend them. And I'll leave the rest in there to serve with the pasta. All the ingredients now are in the pot, so let's stir. And let's count the time. From now, the pasta should cook for 10 minutes. We're gonna take half of the broccoli out in 5 minutes so we can blend them, and the other half will stay in the water with the spaghetti. Let's get some pasta water from the pot. We're going to blend that broccoli. Trust me, you're gonna love this. Let's put a generous amount of extra virgin olive oil in a blender. Let's put the cloves of garlic. Let's put more extra virgin olive oil. I want this garlic to become creamy. Oof.
That's gonna kill some vampires.
You can't kiss your wife in a few days. See, this consistency is just what we want. It's a bit watery, it's creamy, but now we're gonna add the broccoli in there. So this is gonna turn into a broccoli cream. After about 5 minutes, let's start collecting the big pieces of broccoli, like this one, and put it in the blender. So it might be a little bit hard to get the stem. See this is heavy, so you're expecting this to go at the bottom of the pan, okay? So collect this from the bottom of the pan. Get a colander to help you. Because they're nice and crunchy, so you do like them. But if you blend them, I think it's better. And it's not baby food, guys, this is good food. The garlic oil and the broccoli need to combine together. So let's blend everything together. This will be the base for our sauce. I want this to be creamy, but it needs to be super creamy. So let's put more extra virgin olive oil. More extra virgin olive oil. And we stop when we get this consistency. So this is creamy, guys. This is what we want. You want to call it baby food? You can call it baby food. This is the consistency we want. This is the consistency we want. This is the base of our ricotta and broccoli pasta. Now let's work on the ricotta. We get the ricotta, about 150, 200 grams. The reason why we need this type of ricotta is because it's the only way you can turn this into cream. Let's sprinkle some pecorino cheese there. Pecorino is made of sheep milk, and then we have the ricotta made of cow's milk. Together, they're gonna bring beautiful flavors to this pasta. Let's put some pasta water in there. Be generous. And now, we mix all these ingredients until it turns into a cream. You might find it easier with a fork, so you can press. It will be easier to make this creamy. Put more pasta water in there.
You can blend that.
You can use a blender if you want, up to you. I like to do this with my hands, but you know, this is how you make the creamy ricotta. A little bit more pasta water, and we're almost done. Maybe to have a nice, smooth, creamy ricotta, but without using any cream. And here we go. This is gonna be the topping for our pasta. It smells so sweet. This is why we need to use the proper ricotta and the pecorino cheese. Before we put the pasta in the pan, let's warm up this pan on a medium-high heat. Let's put our broccoli cream. Let's spread this everywhere. Look how nice it is. This is gonna turn your pasta green. What I'm going to do now, I'm gonna add some basil in there from now. This will give extra flavor to our sauce. A little bit of basil goes now and a little bit at the end. We don't want this to burn, so we're gonna put a little bit of pasta water to prevent this from burning. The spaghetti should be ready by now. Before we get them out, let's try. Beautiful and al dente. The pasta and the broccoli going in now. Beautiful. Now is where all the magic begins. Let's mix the pasta, the crunchy broccoli with this beautiful broccoli cream. As you can see, you see it's getting a little bit dry? Well, pasta water is needed, okay? So let's put pasta water. Please, let's put some pasta water in there. Be generous with the pasta water, okay? The pasta will absorb the water, so don't be scared to use pasta water. Look how pretty this is. Look at this green spaghetti made with beautiful fresh broccoli, garlic, and extra virgin olive oil. This is simplicity at its best. Let's do a quick toss. Look at this, guys. Look at this wonderful pasta. Look at the pasta making love with the broccoli. The broccoli cream, pieces of broccoli in there. You know, this is gonna be easy to eat. Time to plate it. So let's put the cream first. Let's put the spaghetti in. Look how creamy this is, guys. Look how creamy this is. Oh, yeah. Let's put some more broccoli sauce on top. Now it's time for the ricotta cream. Go some on top, just like that. Put some on, should I put some on the sides? Some on the sides. Let's put some basil here. This is how you make a modern pasta with broccoli and ricotta cheese. This is the best part of the video recipe. Eating time! So what do you think of this recipe?
I have to say, I wasn't sure about the blending,
Yeah?
but looking at it now, I cannot wait to dive in. I think it's going to be very creamy.
That was the modern touch. Please tell me, be honest.
Okay. You've done an excellent job.
Strong flavors of garlic. You can really taste the garlic in
Yeah.
The pasta is smooth. The ricotta and the broccoli really blended together.
Yeah.
All the ingredients.
It's a beautiful combination.
It is.
Yeah,
And it's very delicate. You
Yeah.
find it delicate?
love it.
I would have used less garlic for my liking.
Okay.
I know our audience love garlic. Do you like garlic that much?
Not this much.
Not this much. I can tell there's lots of garlic. I think 1 clove would have been enough,
Yeah.
but I like it.
It's very nice.
It's delicate.
Yeah.
No, you don't like it?
I'm so full.
Delicious. Yes. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Did you like it? What would you change? What do you want to add? Do you want to remove the garlic? I don't know, you tell me. Thank you, Anthony, from Vanilla Cheese,
Thank
for
you,
providing the
Vincenzo.
ricotta. I will see you in the next Vincenzo's Plate video recipe. E ora si mangia. Vincenzo's Plate.